Enterprise Squad. What's good, y'all? Jay out here back with another video, man. Let me know what y'all think of that intro. You know what I'm saying? It's just a little something that I put together, just trying to shed some light on these dark times not having my car. It definitely was kind of tough, or is tough, not having it. And I just wanted to, you know, I'm working on my editing skills as far as the intros and stuff like that is concerned. I got my AC blowing right now in this thing because it is 94 degrees outside. So if you hear that in the background, I'm sorry. I'm burning up, so I gotta have that on right now. But anyway, so I'm headed up to the body shop to pick up my car. And I can definitely say so far that I am really happy with, the way that, you know, not even seeing the car yet, but Ren's Body Shop on Fairburn Road in Douglasville. I'm really happy with the fact that the way they handle, you know what I'm saying, the repair or the communication. They communicated very well. Every couple days they would call me and let me know what the progress was on the car. And they kept me updated. I knew what was going on. So I'm gonna give them that much. Now, like, you know, I'm not just gonna say that they're absolutely amazing until I actually see the work. And honestly, the work will speak for itself, you know, if it's a good body shop. So when we get up there, we gonna check that out, man. So with that being said, I'll see y'all when I pull up to the lot, check out my baby. Swat! All right, y'all, so I done made it to Ren's Body Shop. It just so happens that the Enterprise is directly across the street. Come on, focus, let's get it together here. Man, that exposure is crazy. Is directly beside the body shop, so that's really nice. Played out real good. But anyway, about to run in here, get the business out the way, and put my stuff in the car, and I'm gonna show it to y'all, man. And we're gonna go through and look at everything and make sure everything's copacetic. Feel me? Be right back. All right, y'all, we back in the building, and yes, today is the day. I am here. Oh man, it's been a long time, boy. It's been a whole month. It feels like it's been longer. It feels like it's been longer. But anyway, without further ado, man, let me just go on and show y'all the ride. Aries is back in the building. Everything is looking real good. Had one little glitch, you know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna, let me see. It was the window mechanism. So you know how you put your hand on the window and it slides down? So when I first got here, it wasn't doing that. So it scared me for a hot second because I thought they'd have to keep it another day for the techs to fix it. But somehow or another, the owner, he came out and he just like held a button, and the button, you know, I don't know, it wasn't going back up completely. It wasn't going back up at all. I was rolling it down, but it wasn't going back up. So they took it back to the back where they do all their work and stuff, and by the time he got back there, came back up, it was working. I don't know, it was a ghost. But anyway, so now that's working and that's cool and everything. But anyway, man, let me go on and show y'all exactly. Well, basically, they had to replace this entire piece here. This entire piece here, the whole quarter panel here. They had to replace that and the bumper. And I'm just gonna go on and show y'all. Y'all see, it looks good, man. They got my side marker tint on. You know what I'm saying? They took that off of the old bumper, I'm assuming. You know, they put my mud flaps back on, so you know that's looking good. Of course, I noticed the rear diffuser is still on, and also my underglow light is still on, and it's connected. The only thing that they did not get was this piece here. It's hard to see because it's so bright out, but that tint there is missing that one small piece, and it's really not hard to. It's kind of hard to see it. No, it is hard to see it, but like I said, I got a replacement for that at the house, and I'll be able to do it. Overall, I'm just gonna go on and say Ren's Body Shop does a real good job, man. Ren's Body Shop does a real good job. I don't know if it's, I've heard some things about them, but I guess it's, you know, it's different for everybody. But in my experience, Ren's Body Shop does pretty good work. I want to give a shout out to Patrice. She is the front desk lady. She, you know, she helped me out. She gave me a call every couple days to give me an update on the progress of the car, and I really appreciate that. So ultimately, man, as far as what I can say, Ren's Body Shop is a good body shop. There is a warranty on the paint. There's a warranty on the paint, so if anything chips or if anything starts fading that they replace, you know, I could bring it back and they'll fix it for free, and that's for the entire time that I own the car, which in my opinion will be a while. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do right now, because I haven't heard it in so long, is crank it up. And I'm gonna let you all sit back here in the back and listen to it while I crank it up, so y'all can hear this exhaust note. Yes, sir. Oh, it feels so good to be back in this mother. Yeah, boy. I am back home. I am back home. Man, look, let me just tell y'all, you don't know what you got until it's gone, or you just ain't, or you ain't been around it or had it in a while. I'm just gonna be honest with you. Okay, so in my time, you know what I'm saying, I'm having this car, I done driven a Scat Pack. I've been in other cars, but being away from mine this long has just really reaffirmed me, just reassured me that I'm a muscle car guy, man. I love the fastness, I love the power, I love the acceleration, and this is something, like I mentioned in my other video, that I'm gonna have, Lord willing, for the rest of my life in the collection. It may not be this exact one, you know, because cars get old, but I will definitely have a muscle car Challenger in my garage. So I am extremely happy about it. Hold on, let me check some stuff, make sure rims is good, but you know, stuff can happen. Gotta make sure everything's still, sunroof. Oh, look at that. Yes, yes, give me life. Oh man, so all right, let me go on and just X that out, man. But look, okay, for everybody out there, real quick, I want to say this, and then I'm gonna let y'all go. If you have a V6 Challenger, if you have, I don't care what trim level it is, man, be happy about what you have and where you are, because for somebody to even be able to have this type of car, and I know that there are plenty of ways, there are plenty of, you know, you can go get a used one, but I mean, I don't know, it's still something different about, for me anyway, it's still something different about having one. Maybe it's because I came from the bottom with mine, you know what I'm saying? Maybe it's because I just came from the dirt, like for real dirt with mine, with getting this type of car. And it's not even the fastest, it's not the most expensive, it's not the best looking out there, but it's mine. I'm happy I got it, I love it, and I thank God for it. So I'll treat it as such. Y'all look, man, be grateful and be happy for where you are in life, you know what I'm saying? Because somebody else is looking at you and they don't know how they're gonna get to work the next day, you know what I mean? It's just so many things to be happy and grateful for, man. We blessed out here, y'all, so just make sure y'all remember that, man. Anyway, I'm about to go. I got Aries back. Definitely the first thing I think that needs to be done before anything else is a good detailing, a good cleaning, you know. Got to get her back up to par for good, for real. And after that, I got to go and throw this wicker bill on. So Keith, when you see this video, brother, know today is, what's today, Tuesday? Weather permitting, well, we both got garages, it don't matter. It's going down this weekend, brother, if you ain't got nothing going on. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for that video. Anyway, man, if this is your first time at the channel and you like the video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Drop a comment below, let me know what you think, man. Give me your thoughts and your feedback. If you're on social media, man, follow me on IG, JRTProductions 3, J_Rox 3. I can actually kind of show you again now, even though I got to get that replaced too, because that's starting to, you know, I be driving so fast, it just be flying off, letters be breaking and stuff. But anyway, this is JR, man, JRT Productions. Y'all hold it down. I'll see y'all in the next one. I'm out. Peace.